Hello everyone, welcome back to Car Insight and welcome to our review of the 2025 Audi A6 E-TRON, a luxury electric sedan that blends cutting-edge technology with timeless elegance. Let's dive in and explore what this electric marvel has to offer. The A6 E-TRON's exterior is a testament to Audi's design prowess. Its sleek silhouette, combined with the signature Audi grille and sharp lines, exudes a sense of sophistication and modernity. The LED headlights and taillights provide a striking visual presence. Step inside the A6 E-TRON, and you'll be greeted by a luxurious and tech-savvy interior. The spacious cabin is adorned with premium materials, and the seats are incredibly comfortable. The digital instrument cluster and infotainment system offer a seamless user experience, with intuitive controls and a host of features. The A6 E-TRON's electric powertrain delivers a thrilling driving experience. With instant torque and a silent operation, it's a joy to drive. The car's range is impressive, making it suitable for both daily commutes and longer road trips. The A6 E-TRON is packed with features that enhance comfort, convenience, and safety. The advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, provide a more relaxed driving experience. The panoramic sunroof adds a touch of luxury, while the fast-charging capability ensures minimal downtime. Audi has paid attention to the smallest details in the A6 E-TRON. The interior lighting creates a soothing ambience, while the exterior accents add a touch of personality. These design elements contribute to the overall appeal and refinement of the car. The 2025 Audi A6 E-TRON is a luxury electric sedan that delivers on performance, style, and technology. With its sleek design, spacious interior, and advanced features, it's a compelling choice for those seeking a sustainable and sophisticated driving experience.